Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you like what you see, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and join the family. So in today's video, we're going to be making something really interesting. This is one meal that I enjoyed while growing up, and my mom prepares the most delicious beans and corn ever. Ingredients, we have some beans, some fresh corn, some pepper paste, and for the fresh corn, you can actually use any kind of corn. But while I was growing up, we had a little farm at the back of the house, and my mom always used fresh corn for her beans and corn. So if you don't have fresh corn, you can also use hard corn. I also have that some people add sweet corn to it. So whichever one that actually works for you, you can actually use that. Right now, all I'm doing is just to peel the corn from the stalk, and we are going to get started with our beans and corn. So in this channel, all we do is just amazing recipes, healthy and simple recipes that you can actually create, and they taste very nice as well. Beans and corn is a very nutritious meal, and because of the ingredients that you add to it, it even makes it a more balanced diet. The secret to beans and corn is make sure you add a lot of onions, and of course, if you have some crayfish powder, you can also add that into the beans and corn. Next thing you're going to do is add your beans into your pot. I'll be using the black-eyed peas kind of beans today. While growing up, we didn't really like white beans. We preferred the brown beans, the honey beans, oloyi beans. But this is what I have, and trust me, guys, this came out so nice. It doesn't really matter. After about 15 minutes, my beans is almost ready. So from the look of the beans, you know that this beans is ready. Okay. Now you're going to add in the corn that we have prepared. And just making this dish just brought back so many memories. And I'm really grateful for all the cooking lessons that I actually got from my mom, because this was one meal that made us so excited. Like I said earlier, make sure that you're not stingy with your onions. Now add in some pepper paste. My pepper paste, I actually use some fresh Scotch bonnet pepper, some tatache, and also red chili. After that, I added some palm oil, and depending on the quantity of beans and corn that you're making, that would require the kind of oil that you would add. Add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to go in with some cayenne pepper, about 1 teaspoon, and of course 1 teaspoon of crayfish powder. If you have more crayfish powder, please add. You can see that I added some more because I really love it in my beans. Now allow this to cook for some time before stirring it. There are different methods of preparing beans. People have different methods, but this method will never fail you. So this is what it looks like, and I'm still going to cover this and allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, this is exactly what you get. This is so tasty. Trust me, you are really going to love this recipe. I actually made this much because I want to keep some in the refrigerator. I do not like to miss beans at home. So if you're a lover of beans and you're looking for, a more interesting way to actually prepare it, well, this is a very good method for you. If you love this video, kindly drop your comments, and of course, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.